How to force close apps on Android and fix app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of the device and after that, scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps and then you can just search for any apps right now that are not working or that you want to fix. For example, here I'm gonna choose for Canva. Now just tap on the application and here at the bottom left corner you can see the option of force stop. So just tap on force stop and it will help you in force closing the application. And if it's not working, you can also tap on clear data and clear cache. Make sure you have given permission to required functions for the application as well. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.